And then that is, what is your cost? 100K is a cost per month for a project. Yes, guys, able to hear me?
Yeah,
Yes.
yes, Rajni.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And in the second month, what is the cost? 100K?
Yes.
Yes. So if you find this page is not loading or page is not working in this month, okay. So this defect you will find in this month or this month, right? And then you will complete the testing maybe by this month only, maybe by 5 months, because you are getting delayed to find this defect. So how many months your project prolonged? 2 more months, right? 2 more months, and then in this month you will finish the testing. Okay, so this is a month where I am going to finish the testing. So all project took 8 months. But if I find it early stage, it doesn't mean that in a month only we have to finish a project so we will save the cost. It is not like that. It is not possible also. Okay, what I'm trying to say is the delay we are uh, uh, like we are getting the defects, how later stage the project cost is to fix that is more. Okay, so the project got already extended, project got already over due. Okay, that is the another story, that there is like lot of stress on you and developer everyone to fix that and then finish the project. Okay, so the initially the planning was 6 months project it is, and at the end you are coming and then at a 6 month or at a fifth month you are saying there are defects, there are defects. So management will go mad. They will say that okay, at a very immediate they want to fix. So on a immediate they want to fix, then they have to add the resources, right? Who will do the work? Okay, some five more resources they have to add. Then five resources, 10K salary is again, and previously 100 plus these five, so 150K is a project cost in this month, right? Immediately they want to fix, right? Immediately the work is more, the meaning is. Okay, so uh, it might be one solution. The solution they will come up with adding a resource, or they will be coming up with the going with the extensions for a 1 or 2 months. In all the cases there is a cost, right? In all the cases there is a cost associated, and then how much delay is that much costly it is. And then again in indirectly the associated defects we will get, right? So page is working now, the link is not working, we are able to see, and then associated other issues we are getting at a later stage. And then your project is getting delayed. Project is getting delayed means uh, so you have to again extend for a 1 or 2 month and then work on that. Okay, so the overall the time is a money. Okay, so the each day or a each month passing is a cost to the project. So one day project getting extended is a cost too. So as per a plan, always your project management will think or will focus on what is the cost associated for that project, and then what is the duration they planned. Then they will try to focus on to finish that in that duration only. So the later stage we are getting the defect, the more stressful it is to fix, and then to handle that more work or more stress we have to add a resources and then go with the extensions. That all is a very costly process. Okay, so adding a resource is a costly process. It is not about the salary, it is about hiring cost, right? It is about maintaining employee, maintaining, right? The cost, or we have to hire resources means you have to hire lead managers as well for them. And then entire process is like become troublesome when you have the defects found at a later stage. Okay, and then again the questions will come initial days what you have done. Okay, that is, so very quick about what in the industry goes on. So we have to find the defects in an early stage. So to find the early stage, what we have to do, we have to we have to find the defects in an early stage, we have to start testing early, then only we will get the early defects, right? So if we are not starting from the day the developer started, okay, for example, developer started work from this time, okay, so from the day one they started, and then it is going on, so the tester also should start from that day one. Okay, so this is your day one, for example, and then from that day one, tester should also start working. Then only they will be able to find a defect. Yes. So, yeah, hi. Who just joined? Anupama. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Anupama, you can be on a mute.
Okay.
Okay, so I can hear some background noise and other noise. Okay, so guys, what will happen is like eventually there will be little background noise from my side, and if you are on not mute, if you are not on a mute, then background noise will come from your side, and then it will be lot of difficult to understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, so whenever you're talking, unmute and talk. Okay, so whenever you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and then talk, or else you can type in the chat window as well. So I'll constantly look at a chat window as well to answer you guys. And then so the day when your development starts, and then your testing should also start from that day, then you will be able to find the defects early. For example, my testing starting here from the middle of after 2 3 months, okay, and then whatever work developer has done this much time, so that is given for a testing after this. So what will happen, you will find the defect, you will take some time to understand application, okay, what my project is and everything. 1 month gone, second month you will spend in a test case design or a testing activities, and then planning and other things, and 1 month gone again. In this month you will find a defect, and then your testing will continue. So the delay in testing will make your application very costly. Okay, what I'm trying to say here, delay in testing or delay in finding the defects will make your application or a project duration long, and then project cost will go high. Okay, so that is what the testing is necessary, and then testing should start from the early stages of the software development. Okay, and then it is necessary to correctly understand the faults and the defects in the system. So with the testing only we understand the what are the faults in the application. So for example, you are working for Amazon or a Flipkart, or I'll take example of SpiceJet. Okay, for example, we are working for this client. Okay, and then this is your site to work on, and then you are testing, you're performing the testing activities. Okay, so with the testing only you will understand, okay, this one way or a round trip is working or not. Okay, so it is needed to correctly understand the faults and defects in the system. Testing is needed to understand what is not working and what is the fault in the application. That is the aim of testing, and with testing only we know that. Okay, and then testing validates effective performance and functionality of software product. Okay, so testing validates effective performance and functionality of product, right? So with the testing only we can know that, we can validate that, okay, so this is effective, and then this is as per the client expected, and then it is the functionality correctly working. Okay, so testing helps learn more about software applications, reliability, stability. So how reliable your application is, how stable your application is, and then how secure it is. So there will be payments here, then how secure the payment details, like your card details are, and then user details also. For example, you are logging with your name and all the details, right? So your account should be secure, your password should be secure, and then your details should be secure, not available to anyone. That all, how the system or how much system is reliable, stable, that everything you will know with the testing. So Testing allows us to test major as well as minor components and features of the software. So, what that mean is, so with the testing only we understand major minor components of software. Yes, allows to test. In the testing we test all the component, like login is a component that will be, and then spice screen or gift card or deals, and then other, these all things will be okay and will be tested here. So testing allows us to test major as well as okay, and then testing makes software safe and user friendly. Yes, so if it is secure, reliable, so it means it is a user friendly, right? So user friendly and then safe as well, testing will only make that application. So there are some more reasons for why testing is needed. Okay, software that are tested properly will provide a efficient resource utilization, resulting in a low cost. So it is, application is tested, so they are it is available, so so many people can register here, right? So it is easy for to maintain and then track everything. It is easy. Software that is properly tested provide efficient resource utilization, and then allows us to detect defects during the early stages. So early stage we start testing, we are able to find the defects at a early stage. Okay, ensure the quality, effectiveness, and efficiency of a software before it's a release. And then okay, so quality of your application you will know with the testing. And testing validates it's a compliance with the user environment. Okay, so my flight related, compliance related things are there, for example, that things will be validated with the testing only. Okay, and then create defect report, test report. So with the testing, after you complete the testing, so we'll be creating as a QA, we will be creating a report. What the report will have, how many test cases executed, how many are the pass, how many are the fail, and then how many are not executed or due to defects cannot be executed. So the report will have all the details about your application and then functionality which are working, which are not working. Okay, so the defect reports and the test reports which can be used in a future by developer tester if similar issues come. So with the testing, today if something one way trip is not working, okay, and then developer gave a fix. Okay, there is a developer, he gave a fix, and then there is, after a month again the same defect is coming. So you will have that report in your hand that okay, last month also we got a issue, this month also we got a issue, and then these are the issues getting repeated. Okay, so you can say that as well. And then testing is necessary to improve the business. Yes, right. So if this site is not user friendly, not safe, or not working, we will not be using this SpiceJet site. We will go for a other option. So this is, market is open to all, and then there is a lot of, you have like lot of competition in the market. If the one side is not working or one is not, then there are other options for people, they will go with that, right? So if this side is not working, then the business for SpiceJet will be in a loss, right? So they, no one will be using this, and then it will not be used much. Okay, so then there will be no business for these people. So if it is tested properly, performance is good, then there is a lot of business for SpiceJet as well, and then people will come here, book the flights, and then all. Okay, so it is necessary to improve the business. So testing is necessary to improve the business.